Hey Dan, here's a short video. I don't know if the one got on your phone was good enough, but that's your 110 little bulbs that you're going to be running all your little signs and stuff. That is your LEDs now, alternating LEDs, 12 volts. That's your motion sensor. That's adjusted to whatever distance and time delay to shut it, turn it on, turn it off. That there is your main power disconnect that shuts the whole unit down so you don't have to shut the power or the fuse box off. That is your 12 volt converter. So basically on the motion sensor we'll move a little, that'll go on. So that powers up your LEDs. They're alternating, so they're not like the bulb style. That's going to be your bulbs for your lamps. All your components in there. That was the relay I was waiting for. That's 12 volt operated, 110 triggered. There's your wireless remote. That'll be your wiring harness down below to hook up all your wires through the system. So once your motion sensor shuts off, basically A button's going to turn on just the LEDs, and then B button will turn on your 110 bulbs through for your signs and that. So say you don't want the railroad sign or railroad crossing lit, just turn that off, turn the A off, and then all your other signs will be lit. You can shut that off. But once the motion sensor goes off, that will go back to LEDs a flash. But once the motion sensor shuts off, if you have your B button on for your 110, that stays on again. So anytime if you have your motion this triggered on, that will stay on all the time. So you got to make sure you shut that off if you want to just use the motion sensor. Okay, we'll get it out to you on like Monday or Tuesday. I like to show you how everything hooks up and stuff. This is Maddogstrains.com. Thank you.